So on the 17th of June, that was at Irvine's Caledonian Paper, as I want to see the GB movement that went from there to Wembley receptions. However, 6M74, the head code of it, the 1855 GBRF service to Wembley receptions 1 to 7 from Irvine's Caledonian Paper, there was a points failure at Mauchline, so it could not go via the Ayrshire coast, so it had to be diverted via Kilmarnock. So there was a couple of movements that was required for it. First was detach the locomotive and move it to the head shunt, and then run it to the rear of the train. They were going to push the train out of the siding, and instead of running it via the Ayrshire coast, would run it via Kilmarnock. So here we see 66738 doing that exact movement. So after 156 had went in the Kilmarnock direction, it then got the pathing out. Now the delayed 1855 pulled out of the Papermill at 1908. And due to the unmanned crossing that I was standing at, 66783 had to tone all the way out of the yard. And then with one last all clear from the signaller, 6M74 then continued onwards to Kilmarnock.